Hi friends, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com, and today I'll be demonstrating how to put together this autumnal card kit of the month for October 2023. If you're interested in how to get the card kit to your door for free, just use this host code when you're shopping online and I'll mail it straight away to you. The store link is in the description box below. And I really loved this stamp set so much that I kept on making cards, so I made an online class of it. If you're interested, please check out the link below. The class price is the price of the stamp set plus shipping and your province's taxes. No extra cost for the consumables that are sent right to your door or the lifetime access to the how-to videos. And again, just check the link in the description box below. Alrighty, let's get to the demonstration. All right, everybody, here is the stamp set called Pick of the Patch. You can get this in a bundle with the punch. However, you don't need it for this card design. Here are a couple of squares. I've inked up my little short squat pumpkin with pumpkin pie ink, and I'm using a dauber and I'm daubing on crushed curry. These two colors work delightfully well, and I'm doing two cards at once so that you can see this every step twice, so it'll be very easy for you to duplicate. The next gourd that I'm going to ink up is this, I don't know, it's a weird shaped gourd, and we all know that they some pumpkins and look like that, right? I decided to stamp that one in smoky slate. And then this one is crushed curry with pumpkin pie dabbed on the top and bottom. The nice thing about these gourds and pumpkins, you can color them up whatever color you wanted. So some can be blue, you can make them pink, you can make them yellow, you can just have a lot of fun with them. So now I'm using pumpkin pie for their stems. The short squat one, I use the stem full strength there, and as you can see, I'm using like a lazy mask. It's just a quarter sheet of paper that I got from my printer, and I'm just using it for a mask, and then I'm inking up the gourd stem, and then just like masking off what I don't want to get inky. So I can make my stems longer or shorter as I please. Now this is shaded spruce, and I'm using a very there's two different loop-de-loos here. That's what I'm calling them, loop-de-loos. They're pumpkin vines, and so I stamped a couple with the same one, turning it upside down, and then this long smoky slate gourd gets the long one. So I went a step further and I chose the three colors, so pumpkin pie, crushed curry, and pumpkin pie. Did I say that already? Crushed curry and cherry cobbler. There we go. And I am inking the edges with my finger dauber. And of course, this is completely optional. You do not have to do that. And I wanted to say that the stamp set is completely optional too, as long as you have, like, you could substitute leaves for this particular design. You could substitute maybe sunflowers and just do them in different colors. So you don't have to get the stamp set if you get this card kit. Go ahead and use your imagination. What I would love for you to do is to post it on my Facebook page to see how you've changed your card kit. So like I said, I did 3 different edgings, daubed edgings around the little squares. So I'm just coordinating them up with their squares. So this gourd had inked edges of pumpkin pie. So I'm going to use the pumpkin pie cardstock with that particular pumpkin. And then the one that had the crushed curry, which happened to be the gourd here, I did that one in crushed curry, and this one was daubed, inked ink blended / daubed on the edges with cherry cobbler. And so I adhered that to the cherry cobbler cardstock. Oh my gosh, I'm a little tired. So these are my very vanilla card fronts, I guess. And I used pumpkin pie, and I spritzed some pumpkin pie from the marker. And then I sort of like, I don't know, it was late at night when I made this, so my sentiment got a little, I want to say, crooked. It got crooked, so I had to do it again. So here I'm using the placement for the little squares, and then I go in with shaded spruce. And you know what? It's still crooked. It's just the way I was sitting. So it's hard doing things for the camera. Anyway, it was better than it was. So I inked up the sentiment, "You're the pick of the patch," and now I'm putting the three little squares. And the spacing is wrong on this one. I was trying to give it each a 1/2 inch, and my maths were incorrect. So the nice thing about this is, one little trick is don't adhere them straight away. Just sort of lightly place them so you can easily just, you know, rip it off and place it so that it's A straight, B so that there's even spacing between the three. So do everything that I'm not doing. So yeah, you do better than me. Okay. And here's my crooked sentiment. Like I said, it was better than the other one. I couldn't be bothered to making another one. All right. So we have Pebble Path and crushed curry. No, what am I thinking? Oh, I'm so tired. Crumb cake for the card bases. Sorry, guys. And I thought they went really well with the very vanilla. And it was just, I have been working with white for so long that it's kind of nice to work with very vanilla. So that is what the cards look like. And then, of course, I went over with the Wink of Stella. And I do find that this helps, especially if you are blending with the dauber. It will help to smooth out the ink so that it daubs, or it blends very well. So, and you know what? That was an extra step. You don't have to do it. It would look just fine with, you know, just one inked pumpkins on there. So, all right, kids. So thank you so very much for watching and thumbs upping and liking and all of that. I appreciate y'all so much. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And of course, those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where you can make a wish list if you want. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.